Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you guys how to add pages into Squarespace website by 3 different methods. So what you need to do is go to your Squarespace website and there you're going to create an account by signing up, or you're simply going to log in, use a suitable password, and here this dashboard appears. Just go to your create website. And let's just say when you create a website, this is what you are going to see after creating a website. So there are 3 different methods by which you can add pages. So let's just talk about the most easiest one. You don't have to do anything, just duplicate the page and it will appear. Let's just say go to your settings or the page you want, your cog option. Here, let's just choose home first. Go to your cog icon. Here you see, just scroll down. You can adjust the names, but scroll down and duplicate page. Click on it and confirm. Here, your home page has been duplicated. Now you just have it in the form of a copy. So go to the cog icon again and you can change the name. Let's just say I write here, very easy, very simple. I'm going to write here a common name that is mostly used. I will say mode 123 because this is just a sample. You guys can write whatever you want. URL slug is also being used. Mode 123. So it would be easy for the Google Navigator to find me, so I'm going to keep it short. Now save it in here. Now you can just move into your page. You can also move it from non-linked to the main navigation. You can adjust the placement. Here I have moved it into the main navigation from not linked account. You can also make necessary changes by going to the edit option. Here, you see, you can edit the site header, you can add blocks, you can also add section. You see here so many options available on Squarespace. So, you see I have added a section here, or you can simply delete it. I don't want it, so I'm just going to exit. You can save it, you can make necessary changes. So this is the simple duplicate method. It does not require much work or much labor for you to start from the scratch. The second method that most of the people use is by going to let's just move to the second method first so that it will be easy for you guys. So what I'm trying to do is after making the necessary changes, just go to, this here. Just go to, you can use the main navigation or not linked. I'm using not linked account. From here, I'm going to create a new page. You see there are the options that you can use different pages. Just move to your, let's say, digital products. I am going to choose one for my team. So click on it and just choose this one. Here, now we're going to repeat the same process, save it and move to the cog icon. After moving there, you can change the display name, you can change the page title. Here I am saying my SEO. Navigation title is exactly going to be the same. Just change the URL. Here, you can change them according to whatever you want. Here, I just want my Google Navigator. Make it easy for my Google Navigator to find me. Here. This is my new page, the method number 2 to create a new page on Squarespace. Now you can go to edits the same way that you had done before, edit the site header. You can also change the section, you can add elements. You see there are options like buttons. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can go to the socials, cards, accounts, and language switches. So this is how you're going to edit it. You can also see there are so many options. Go to the add sections the same way we have done before. You are going to choose any of the images you want or donation digital products. All right, join the club. This is what you are going to do. The process is very easy and you can remove it, you can delete it as soon as you don't want it. I'm just going to exit this because it's just a sample for you guys. You guys can save it if you like that. Now the third method that we use is very difficult and it is mostly for the people who want to start from the scratch. Just go to this plus icon and yeah, just click on it and go to the blank page. Here you see there's a new page that has been created and it has nothing in it. It is completely empty. I'm going to give it a name. Let's just say review. I'm going to copy it, go to the cog icon, and the same things that we have done before. Simply, you can duplicate it as well, but since it is empty page, so just go to the editor. Here you have the same options as before. You can go to the add section. Here you can choose any image, any sort of header. You see, this is what I have chosen so far. You can also edit this section, edit the side footer, add different maps, you can add different buttons, you can also add different images, videos, anything. Let's just see, these are just, you can add whatever you want. You see so many options here. Just add whatever you want and yeah, this is what I'm doing at the footer. You see, so interesting it is. Just roll over and if you like it, you can save it. I'm just going to exit it. So these were the three methods by which you can add pages to your Squarespace website and adjust them to your specific place where you want it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.